Yo, yo, weekly review and game plan. All right. So last week, so we'll review this week's price action. We'll go over what I was looking for this week, what actually happened, and then we'll create a game plan for the coming week. Okay, boom, there you go. Last week, here we go. We'll start with Nasdaq. Let's shrink this bad boy. All right. Nasdaq. Let's do a little more. Go to the daily. Now let's start with the weekly. So yeah, we had this big wick candle. Yeah, it looks like we were expecting a little bit of a downside movement. Looks like we were short at the beginning of the week, looking for a short because of the 4 hour. So here's Monday's candle. So Friday, we're looking for a short. So Monday, we're looking for a short. So yeah, we were looking for this to come higher into here because we had this 4 hour market structure shift. Didn't get it, but the short, you can see that that bias was correct. And then we swept these equal lows. I must have updated my daily plans later, but either way, last week I was expecting this to possibly get into a discount, and because of the 4 hour, that's what happened. Pretty sure the flow also helped confirm that. But swept these equal lows. I think I saw something in here that made me realize I could have got in here. What was it? Yeah, anyways, failed to displace. Maybe that was it. Yeah, failed to displace in here. 4 hour. Yeah, no displacement there. But anyways, as you can see, we got that short, and then we bounced, cleared out all this liquidity because later in the week I was looking for longs. Took a bunch of scratches in here trying to get in. Was hoping we'd come down into this order block. Didn't, and didn't take any trades here on Nasdaq that were significant besides bright scratches that were good trades. Yeah, so we came back, filled in the fair value gaps, the daily fair value gap here. Let's take off. Let's put the drawings back on. So, yeah, good ideas on Nasdaq. Just didn't get the entry I was looking for. This could have been seen as an entry, but in the higher time frame we're bullish still. So the only thing that's bearish is like this wick failed displacement. So if we're gonna head down, I wouldn't expect us to really be bearish until we displace on the daily here above this, below this low. So might as well mark that out. Daily liquidity. We'll have to clean up this chart in a minute when we do the game plan. All right, ES. Took a swing on ES. Let's turn off the drawings again. ES retracing to discount on the daily. Still had a little displacement here on the weekly. Discount on the daily. Yeah, we got a discount. That's why I was long. Cool thing to see that on Tuesday. We got, this was a sell-off we saw on Nasdaq, but didn't, make anything significant, and then instantly bought back up on the next day. So counteracted this whole candle here for a failed market structure shift. Swept these equal lows. I was in here with my stop below here, held the swing, got out above this high because I wasn't really liking to hold this for like a break. Would have been able to get out for my full PT, but it's okay. I don't think I executed that poorly. I think that was still smart to get out there. But yeah, retrace into discount. Yeah, so it's not as bearish as NASDAQ. Even longs maybe more clear, which is funny because NASDAQ sold off. So this was all correct. Even longs maybe more clear here. Failing to create more bearish displacement looks net bullish to me for buys. I like buys if we trade lower, but this may be the leg we head higher. Yep. As we head higher though, look for rejection since NASDAQ could take us. Yeah, so I was looking for rejection in the 4-hour fair value gap here. Technically, we did get it because these candles respected it pretty nicely before manipulating higher into here and cracking the high. So, yeah, buys long. That was good. Good reviews, or a good plan for last week. I like manipulation. Oh. But yeah, as you can see, this full plan played out. Just took a long time. Was long here. Adjusted my stop as we went because of how choppy it was, and we did take out some. There were some signs we may head a little lower just because these are all relatively equal lows. So I took it break even, and I didn't ever get stopped out, luckily. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Dow Jones. I like manipulation above the last week's high. Holy. Oh, yeah, this is exactly. I like manipulation above last week's high and then a sell-off. That's crazy. To the T. Filled in this daily gap. Big candle down, and Friday I missed the short. I was too happy with my good trades this whole week, so missed it. I was wanting to get in here above this wick, and then I would have risked it either there or there depending on smaller time frames. But yeah, I think I would have held my stop there. Would have already been full PT. Kind of sucks. Let's just look real quick, see what happens when you don't stick to your plan. Would have been able to take a full 4R classic good trade. Dang. Missed out on 4R there. It's alright. But yeah, I like it at least to fill the weekly fair value gap and then order block. What order block? Oh, I'm on the high on the daily. Was I talking about this? Maybe I was talking about this. I like it to at least fill the weekly fair value. So there's that order block swing high on the daily. Must have been talking about this. Oh, maybe I just was wrong about the. I don't know, maybe I was talking about this. Oops. Whatever I just did. Okay. Cool, but yeah, that was pretty accurate. Missed the short. Maybe we'll come back up. We took out liquidity here, and it's bouncing, so there's yeah, we'll worry about that later, but looks like this may retrace here. Equal lows now. So it may go boom, boom, maybe choppy, whatever. Okay. DXY, oh yeah, this is an annoying one. This one is pretty spot on with this one too. Keep heading higher. I'm looking for this, been looking for this to really reject, but I knew we could just keep taking out the highs, grinding up while creating no bullish displacement on any of the higher time frames. But as you can see here, it looks like we finally did get a little bit of a nice rejection. Maybe we take it out one more time, just because now they're equal highs here. So yeah, I'm still waiting for this to confirm bearish. I think it is almost there. We just need some news this week or next week to get this to really break down. But it could hang out here until there's like some like CPI or some federal thing, Fed funds or something. Euro. I was looking for longs in euro and pound. Luckily, I changed my mind about them. Was gonna use that little order block as an idea, but as you can see, it got taken out, and I didn't like it because the dollar just wasn't clearly setting up. This looks pretty good here, this consolidation. But anyways, clearly this placing lower. May need to wait for a reason to get long. Yeah, there you go. Same thing as euro, but looks way more bearish. But it looks like it may be starting to accumulate here. Could expect a manipulation lower swing. All right, anyways, I don't care about the currencies until we get a market structure shift or something on the dollar, because that's what we're waiting for. Oil. Gosh, in a reversal area. But yeah, I think we're just waiting here. We'll have to do some more diligence on the COT data. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we've been waiting for commodities to set up for a swing, and so far I haven't been super confident with taking a stab at anything besides like Bitcoin. So the stop has been moved to here. So we're hoping Bitcoin will finish consolidating here and start heading back up. Same thing with XRP. Whoa, look at that. This could break down and then go up. Anyways, cool. There's the review. Obviously I gotta actually do it. So yeah, everything went as planned. All setups, indices, all set up the way I was expecting. Wow, there's nothing really else to say. Still working out that top and has made equal highs and lows on ES. Bias going into the week was down, then up, ES and Q, then up, then down. It's the easiest way to put it. DXY is still working. Still working out if it's going to reject. Still waiting for a signal for cuts. News this week. PCE, that was a big one. GDP was a big one. That was basically it. Those are the only real significant ones. Were there days I shouldn't have traded or taken a break? No. Did great here. Besides the reverse, where I missed the Dow Jones short after winning AMD. How was my sleep? Mediocre. Need to not go out and spend time with people. We had a birthday, but last week, whatever. Just forget that. No. We'll do that today, though. Only short reviews. Done. Things done well. Sticking to my ideas and forming plans end of day every day to clearly define each day's setups and plans them. So yeah, I just started. I always do a weekly review and a weekly game plan, but now I've been doing those every single day at the end of the day because why not? And that's been huge for me this last week. Last week was one of my best weeks in a while, just consistency wise, putting in the work wise, and that was kind of what got me there. Things to improve. Find a way to not get too. Find a way to set after good wins and stay keen. Oh, you know what? It's just sleep. Because I would have nailed Dow Jones trade if I had slept. Still to improve sleep. Drink vinegar. Vinegar because I struggle with a lot of inflammation from the food I eat. Apple cider vinegar and B3 are nice. And that's been helping my sleep a lot every time I take it. Biggest impact, keep doing end of day plans and reviews on patients. What have I learned this week? Have a fucking plan every single day. Yep. Cool. Cool, that's the review. Weekly analysis and game plan. There we go. Alright, here's the fun part for me. Let's start with the NASDAQ. This month is going to close here, right? Is tomorrow the 1st? Let's look real quick. I can't remember. Yeah, tomorrow's the 1st. So that was the monthly close right there. So we got to mark these levels out. Maybe we should go to the quarterly chart. Is this the end of the quarter too? Holy. Okay. So. Yeah, it's the end of a quarter, end of a month. So. We got to keep that in mind. Let's just mark this out. Q2 open. Q1 high. Alright, I don't like that they're red though. Let's do pink. Okay. And I think I do want to measure out the equilibrium of the range. What's a good way to summarize equilibrium? let's just say 50%. 50%. Q2, 50%. Alright, that's the important levels there for me. Maybe have this marked out too. Q2 close. Oops. Oh man. Just high. That's an obvious one. Okay. Monthly chart. It's about the same as the, so we'll just leave that. Still got a big void, so just got to keep that in mind, and we will, because on the weekly you can see it. Yeah, okay. Or on the daily, I mean. Or, wait, what? Yeah, weekly. Yeah. Cool. These are, so this is June's, okay, June open. Wait, what? Q2. Oh, Q2. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is July or June's move here. So if we just, we haven't gotten to discount there. Okay. So further downside would make sense for a bit. But nothing on the daily yet. Man, I hate having these larger time frame things here. Let's just, ooh. It's not what I meant to grab. Okay. Back to the weekly. Some of the stuff just needs to be deleted. Alright, weekly, what is that? Don't know what that is. All these gaps have been filled. This must be a week opening gap. Daily liquidity. This is a new week opening gap too. Does it have the words in there? NWOG. So there is a market structure shift here, and then we failed. And it was into a discount for the current range, I think. Yeah, there you go. So we've gone to a discount. Whoa. Discount. So yeah, we have bearish liquidity now on the higher time frames, or I mean bullish liquidity, buy side liquidity. Since this isn't on it, we need to, yeah. So discount here is going to be, you know, near the quarter two Q2 discounts. So that's likely. We could, obviously we need a market structure shift. So this is the highest time frame that we have a market structure shift for bearishness. And we got another one here, but this could just be bought back up. So it failed here. Let's go to the daily. Where you can just take this daily fair value gap off. Because now we got the weekly one. Weekly fair value gap. Okay, daily, any fair value gaps. This was filled. Yeah, that's our daily levels. We got our new week opening. What is this? New day opening gap. Let's delete that. It's been filled a lot. To close. Okay. This was a 4-hour. Yeah, still haven't filled this. This is that same level we were watching. We don't need to mark that out. We know that that's there. Okay. So no clear shift here. We need another 4-hour candle close to not wick this. Otherwise, this may just be a buy. So nothing super bearish yet. No MSS on the higher time frames. The longs are still the play. Watching the 4-hour candles to see if we continue lower for a MSS or this is a buy here. Yeah, because this could just chop here, fail, and then give me that trade I was looking for last week. We would need to see the other two indices for a little bit more confirmation. For confirmation. So, okay. On the smaller time frame though, we have had a market structure shift on the 1-hour. Oops. But only on inside of this range, so it'll be key to see how we react here. If we 4-hour, no market structure shift, and then yeah, we come down lower, this could be a buy. Yeah, nothing really else to note here besides this level. This is the level I'll be watching. Okay. I mean, I guess we could look this price action on the 1-hour kind of trumps this all. So that's a structure shift from here. Technically, there's one there too. So gotta wait to see how this works out. Smaller time frames we go, less clear. Huh. Yeah. So yeah, we could bounce here and then come down again. I'd be there's no clear in this time frame. I don't know if there's anything super clear. So bearish on the 1-hour, but now we're nearing we are at these lows here. We've wicked this low, so that may be enough for us to reverse. So we've displaced this and this, and we've already gone lower, and now we're up. So 30 minutes, 15, yikes, what is that? Giant wick. Yeah. Nothing obvious, just if anything. Yeah, it's like 50-50 for me. Alright, ES. What does that do? Okay. Alright, we can delete this stuff. Whoa, is that a quarterly opening gap? Should have looked for that on the... We should make this dark red. Could be a very strong level. New quarterly opening gap. Maybe make that bigger text. That's huge. That's a strong level, probably. New month opening gap. Just might as well. Nmog. Oh, yeah, Nmog. Same thing. Alright, anyways. Our time frame, same. Oh. NQ. Big quarter. Where you get displacement. Quarterly displacement. And monthly. This weekly fair value gap is still here. It's too low for us to care about. What is this new week opening gaps? 2 of them. What is this? Daily? Yeah, this is gone. Daily fair value gap. But let's go back to the weekly. Weekly. Get rid of that new day opening gap. Okay. Yeah, so weekly, we've not gotten into discount. Discount below. The daily. Yeah, look at that, took all this out. Yeah. Oops. Daily fair value gap there. Whoa. Okay. Daily fair value gap. Still got this one here. Nothing on the daily, no market structure shifts, but I mean, a lot of weakness though. Relative equal highs here. Let's mark that. Let's just mark that. Let's just label this with a trend line. So I just click that. Bro, what's going on? just make it red. So side liquidity, relative equal highs. We've rejected this fair value gap on the 4 hour. We've displacement here, but took out this intermediate term low. 4 hour confirmed this market structure shift bearish, but has taken some liquidity with big buy up on the 1 hour. Yeah. So yeah, I took out these equal lows, came back to the same area. So this is kind of looking like NASDAQ where it's a little unclear, but we are new week opening gap. So yeah, nothing super clear. Higher time frame. Yeah, I mean, if we go to the daily, hour, but it got its delivery though. That you could argue that, and it's retraced a lot of it. So 50-50 leaning since the wick failed. Yeah. Since the weekly, oh man, that's just not, weekly has failed. So yeah, the weekly's failed, last week's failed because it got counterbalanced by this, 2 giant wicks. Daily, still waiting, yeah. Yeah, this is just 50-50 until the, well, I don't know if it's 50-50. It might be slightly bullish because there's no, this is just still leaning bullish since no real bearish confirmation. Yeah, so looking for buys. This could just come, take this low out again, and then boom, back up here, sweeps the highs again. Okay, yeah. But let's also look real quick here. In the 4 hour, here's ES and NASDAQ. Let's just look to see here. So there is a SMT here. Dow Jones made a lower low here. ES made a lower low. NASDAQ held strong. So NASDAQ may be the stronger play here. Yeah. Obviously, you could come take out this low though. Okay. All right. Oh, interesting. Whoops. Don't know what that was. Whatever it is, this doesn't look valid anymore. Wow, so the Dow on the quarterly did hit a discount. Interesting. Oh. Did it though? Did it really though? Because if we look. Yeah, did not hit a discount. But it did hit the liquidity void. Yeah, so there's this giant fair value gap here. This is a really old drawing because it's not the color I like to use. But let's use this. But is this ever in a discount? If we just use the candle bodies, it wasn't. Ooh, right there on a discount. So, it's close. If this came down again, yeah, interesting. Monthly chart. Another, yeah. So we'll leave that there. Do we monthly? There is a little monthly gap there, but these are the same as weekly for new opening gaps, so shouldn't be taking these serious. And Mog. Let's make it purple. Okay, new month opening gap. Same thing there. It's new month, new week opening gaps, whatever. Just leave that. All right, so on the monthly, no discount on the monthly. No discount on the monthly. Whoa. I have too many drawings here. Daily bearish fair value gap. All right, so this is the weekly. We've had a weekly structure shift that got bought back up, but still valid. And then a rejection here. We need more data. Okay, daily is gonna tell us. So yeah, still bearish. Still bearish on the daily and weekly. What is it with these gaps? Settings. Okay, wait, what? How do I? Is there really these huge gaps here? What is going on? Why aren't they there on the weekly? Oh, there's a massive gap here on the weekly. Why is that not drawn? Let's just delete that daily for that. Yeah, wow, look at that. Oh, wait, what? No. This is the gap, okay. Whoops. Huge gap here. And look at it, respect it. This one may not even matter. This one, I think, may be too old. I don't know what that is. Okay, cool. So we had this huge new week opening gap. We came down and touched it so cutely. So this is the rest of that daily fair value gap that is left over. So 4 hour, we've come down, created displacement, and then now we've just been consolidating a huge whipsaw there. So this could stab higher one more time. We'll have to zoom in a little bit more. Let's discount. It's already taken out all this, so if this is going to go up, it's going to take this high, I think, or at least this high. So where's my, oh, whoops. All right. Small, oh my gosh, small time frame. 4 hour looks like it. Head back up since failing and ready taken. Let's look at the daily. So yeah, it's already taken this liquidity here. So yeah, this week may head up back up to this swing high. There's no PD arrays besides this little one. So yeah, no mirror. Hit the high last week. Mirror it. Yeah. So yeah, bearish on the higher time frame, bullish on the lower time frame, only because of this sweep here. Doesn't need to head back up is the key nuance there, because that's where you can get wrong. Just because there's a failure doesn't mean that that's a signal to go the reverse. It's just a signal to be wary of the directional bias for the moment. So yeah, I would, if I'm gonna get short here, I'm gonna wait till this heads higher somewhere, and obviously keeping an eye on the other two indices, watching for key reversal on in other indices. A short again, since it may head higher. High before rejecting. Similar. I don't think these are specific enough plans, honestly. So I think what I really need to do is look a little closer here. So we've taken this low out, and there's market structure shift. So yeah, there is reason to take this long at least, yeah, there's not even a bearish drift here either. So yeah, honestly, I like longs here. I'd lean long. Not for like huge moves, but just for the moment being. There's just nothing specific enough for me to really key off of. It's already swept this low. I think we've already gotten a specific plan here. We're looking for something up here to be taken. So there is a, yeah, there's just nothing clear. It's already balanced all this. Failed. So I think I just like this area here. There's a fair value gap here. Let's mark that yellow. For bearish. But at the same time, oh, and that's it's in an order block. Okay. So yeah, this could be the reversal if you want to get short. But it easily could take this high. So it's not super clear, and just if you go the 4 hour, it's just a problem. So there's a daily fair value gap just above it, which would be stronger, and the new week opening gap. Okay, I think I like that better. Yeah, I think I like a short at the new week opening gap. If we go back to the NASDAQ, we've already taken that out. We've rejected it. We're waiting. Still need more clarity. We need a bearish. Where's a summary? I have a summary. Waiting on as NQ and ES for market structure shifts to have a clear game plan. YM waiting on the higher tag to swing it short. Yeah, I just don't like those failures. Obviously, could just keep going down, but those failures are giving me enough reason to not want to just get short into this tiny little 1 hour, 4 hour fair value gap for a higher time frame trade when there's a higher time frame PD array that could easily get taken since we've failed. But yeah, just looking for smaller time frames. We'll see what we do Monday tonight on the open, or today, yeah, tonight at the open, and then tomorrow is price action. Obviously, overnight action before the open is where we'll be waiting. So waiting for overnight action for clarity. So far, clear besides the YM short macro trade. Okay. Well, on the Russell though, I think this is where I should be looking. This is a nicer chart, I think. So I'm bullish on the Russell. Bullish on the Russell. Oh. It did fail though, above this high. No structure shift on the 4 hour besides here. But I like that it's respecting it here. So I just like the rotation play, it looks cleaner. Okay, yeah, look at this failure. So this was a buy here. Look at that tag on the order block. So next target's gonna be already taken that, so daily. this daily swing, unless there's a weekly there too. Yeah, daily 4 hour. Yeah, it should be the next level here. I don't know what this is doing here. Highs are my go-to. These must be old. So these are all the areas to watch. I think this is the cleanest chart out of all of them. 30-minute structure shift, yeah. Let's put Russell there. Like longs here still seems but waiting for, what would I be waiting for? I've already bounced. Yeah, I think I would just buy that pullback regardless. Probably a deeper one though, so into this order block, if you want to count it as an order block. So yeah, I just look into here. It's taking these, so boom, and then probably may take a bit. Maybe more of a swing trade. Who knows how long that will take. But this was a volatile one, and this bounce here looks really clean. 5 minutes. So yeah, I'd want to wait for this to settle. I want to just buy it into the gaps. I would wait for it to settle a bit, because it's a sharp move. Well, let's look here. 4 hour big expansion inside and candle inside. Okay. I mean, this is the level it's bouncing off of, so this is kind of where we need to key off of. So we need to kind of show some respect to this. So this would be, I mean, that's a tough one. It just seems really sharp, and it may just take a few more days to work out. Wait for right side of the V on a higher time frame. Little void here on the quarterly on DXY. Still waiting for this to work out. Nothing super obvious. There's a fair value gap there, failing above this high. so we may get the projection here pretty soon. Seems like now's about time. So yeah, same story on these. I'm not gonna really. I kind of know where these ones are out already. We're already in a higher time frame discount, or a premium for whatever which way you're looking at it. So yeah, just waiting for this to create a daily displacement. Obviously, this is where we'd want to displace to. So daily value gap. Maybe we can mark out some new week opening gaps. There's one there, but I don't trade this. It's not super important to do that. Yeah, this is a logical target here, and we'll see how it works out here. It's already failed here. 4 hour, nothing, but on the one, there is one, so just had a little bounce, and now we've got another displacement here. So, yeah, I like it to go down, and if this is going to go down, indices should start to not care so much about downside yet, and this are equal lows here. Okay, so this is a strong level of interest here. Let's make that white relative equal lows 1 hour. Why is this? Oh, yeah, I need to tighten this up so we can see. Okay, yeah, seems like dollar's ready to go down. So yeah, I think that kind of confirms. And if we look at the flow here, that'll tell us on Monday what to do. I think this will displace soon, at least below this low, and that will be a 4 hour shift if we get that. So if it displaces here, this could bounce, and then we'll see. So yeah, I think there is a setup short on DXY, so that confirms thesis for Russell and others to lean more bullish, but oh, bullshit, bullish, to lean more bullish, but waiting for the flow. Give us what we're looking for, since DXY can lag. Yeah, let's look at the flow real quick. That's like one of the last things we need to do. So SPY net flows. This was Friday. Conflicting flow here. Market tides very bearish. That's an obvious one, but obviously they don't account for after hours, and I think let's just look real quick. Let's move it. I'm just gonna move the journal over here and move this over here. What was I doing? Yes. So yeah, we did get that delivery. So this might be like different since yeah. So yeah, let's see how we open, and then Monday we'll take a look at the flow. Nothing is clear on the flow. This is mostly call volume, but then more put premiums. So they're paying more for puts, but there's more call, and this is flat. So this could be, there's no trend here. This is flat, and because there's more call, they could be exiting. Who knows? But yeah, this is conflicting still. So this kind of confirms that 50-50 unclearness. So let's look at AMD real quick, since it's been good. What is going on here? What is going on, man? Oh, there we go. Okay, flat. QQQ. Let's see if this can confirm anything. Very bearish. No. This, yeah. Trending bearish, but still choppy looking. Okay. All right, yeah. Let's see what else we got. Weekly analysis. We've done those commodities. I'm not going to look at commodities. I'm going to do those on my own because I got to do a lot of like COT analysis still. Let's just look at just visually power of 3 type of setups. Just to see if these have, yeah, we've already looked at these. NASDAQ, the stronger pair. So if we, I think I like this to break this low, get long here. That'd be nice. But yeah, waiting for something else to confirm. Especially, I think the Russell's the play. Missed this buy. Well, because I already traded it. But I think this may just, yeah, we'll see. We'll see on this one. All right, is that it? Cool. Oh, news coming in this week, though. News this week. That's part of the plan, so we got to make sure we're aware of it this week. Okay. Monday. Oh, we got 4th of July this week. Okay. Forgot. Oh, PMI on Monday. Big day. Tuesday, Jolts and Powell speaking in the morning. Where is he speaking? The panel discussion at the European Central Bank Forum. Okay. So there's that. So that should be an interesting one, since European Central Bank cut rates already. And then Wednesday we have non-farm payroll, and Friday non-farm pay employment change. So should be, even with the holidays, should be volatile, especially Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday morning. We have meeting minutes at the close on Wednesday. So Wednesday will be a trade day. It'll be a crazy one, even though there's a holiday the next day. So, yeah. Every open day should be tradable. Besides Thursday, because closing, obviously. Yeah, should be a good week to trade. What else? Monday afternoon, I don't think will be a good day, time of day. So Monday morning specifically, Tuesday all day, Wednesday all day. Actually, maybe the PM session Wednesday will be. So yeah, Monday morning, Tuesday's a normal full day of trading, but Monday morning, Monday afternoon, don't trade Monday afternoon, don't trade Wednesday afternoon. Wait, what? Okay, maybe I won't trade Wednesday. We'll get a big move. should get some movement on Wednesday morning. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Just don't trade. Monday and Wednesday afternoons are kind of out of the cards. So. Monday noon and Wednesday noon. Yeah, marking those to keep those out of the. So, cool. All right. That's the review. I'll do another review probably on my own at the end of the day today, just to see what's happened after the Sunday Open. So yeah, that's the review. Thanks